Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. It's a method that works in 2021 and it's updated for all countries. So sometimes for some countries you won't be able to do it, but I'll show you a method that works for all countries. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we start, I gotta ask you to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll get back to them in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do is click on the plus sign and you want to record a TikTok that's at least 3 seconds long. Here it is. And there you want to click on the check mark and now you can add text. And I'll say something like the video for the algorithm. And when you do that, you can choose, some colors, whatever. And there you can move it wherever you like. And when you click on it, for some countries, it will say add text to speech and it will read it for you. But for my country, it doesn't. So what you can do if you don't have this option is go back and close TikTok real quick and open up a VPN. So you want to go on the App Store, type in VPN and download the free VPN. There's a lot of free VPNs. When you use a VPN, you'll be able to do it when you use a United States country. I use this VPN and it works for me. If this video helped you out, give me a like and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.